She got attacked by a pack of dogs. But she said it's okay. I got some wilderness skills beneath my belt. She said she used to be a part of a scout team. They nearly meet her leader one time. But they didn't have enough thread to sew the patches on. She said, you know how you heard about that family that burned down in that house? Well, that was her. She said it was just some hoax that you made up to watch people cry. Yeah, she whispered to me softly. To die by a river. She wanted the tide to come up and drag her away, so that when she's dreaming, she could watch the tree line fall away. She used to draw rainbow faces in the sand. The rainbow made the face sad. Had bits of foam coming out the bottom of its mouth. It's kind of funny that way. What do you want? How I am? Do you need me? Where I stand? Let's go steady. Let's make a plan. Marinate on that for a little while. Hell. Just got out in the nick of time. We found ourselves drowning in the blood in a sea of wine. Down from the mountain, she waits, dancing around the fire. I've seen the blue fall dead in her eyes. They just wanna see if they do it for the money. And how you made them beg, how you made them beg to try. Coyote.